So guys, as you can see, this is stock exhaust that I changed due to this dent that you can see. So this was lying with me, so I tried out some way to increase the airflow. So as you can see in the exhaust, let me just focus. Yeah, here we can see the cat cone, and yeah, you can see some holes that I tried to break it out of the exhaust, but it did not work because it is very strong. We might have to use a drill or something to get it out. I think that how this works is, let me just place it like this. Here might be the cat cone. Okay, so let's say the cat cone starts from here. Okay, maybe it's of this thickness, and there should be one pipe. There would be a frame here at the end of the cat cone, and there will be one pipe from here that comes into the next chamber, and there will be another plate here that this pipe will end in between, and there will be another pipe coming from here to this chamber, out of this chamber, and we will have our baffle from here. Okay, so I tried to take out the baffle in the exhaust that was lying with me, but without the proper tools it is very difficult, so I did not try further. Let me show you what I did with my exhaust. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the baffle, and let me switch on. Okay, so you can see that the opening of the pipe, the chamber pipe into where the baffle begins, you can see the mouth, but if you look into your stock exhaust, it might not be this big. So okay, yeah, so it might not be this big. Okay, what I did was I inserted a ring spanner and into that pipe you see on the inside, and I rotated it with the through the pipe, so its mouth got bent to the outside, and it is more uh, directed to the beginning. There is more directed to the beginning of the baffle pipe, so you will get a little more bass here and more throaty exhaust, and you don't have to drill the pipe, drill the pipe, the plate, like a guy did on YouTube. Yeah, you just have to make that mouth a little more directed towards the baffle, and that will help. So you also have to make sure that the end of the baffle is not damaged. If it is damaged, like here you can see it is a little bit damaged, so the paint will go out and it will cause rusting. I am living near the sea, so the rusting is pretty much fast, so I need to get that painted. Anyway, this was the exhaust that I got with my bike, and this was the one I replaced. This is the new one that I got. You can see we have that coating here, and for this it's all gone. Yeah, that's it.